Hey beauty lovers, you know I'm all about natural remedies. Today, let's talk about castor oil. It's this thick, pale oil and people swear by it. Hair growth? Check. Skin savior? Check. Eyelash booster? Maybe. I was skeptical but intrigued. Could castor oil really live up to the hype? I had to find out for myself. So I embarked on a 30-day castor oil challenge. Was it worth it? Keep reading. For my hair, I used castor oil as a weekly overnight mask. Every Sunday night, I dedicated time to pamper my hair with this nourishing treatment. I warmed up the oil to a comfortable temperature, massaged it into my scalp to stimulate blood flow, and worked it through my ends to ensure every strand was coated. Then, I'd braid my hair to keep it tangle-free, put on a shower cap to lock in the moisture, and hit the pillow, letting the oil work its magic overnight. The next morning, I'd wash my hair thoroughly to remove the oil and style it as usual. My hair felt softer and looked shinier after each treatment. For my skin, I used a few drops of castor oil as a nightly moisturizer. This simple addition to my routine made a noticeable difference. I gently massaged it into my face, focusing on dry areas and fine lines. The oil provided deep hydration and helped smooth out my skin texture. Finally, for my eyelashes, I dipped a clean mascara wand into the oil and carefully coated my lashes before bed. This step was crucial for promoting lash growth and strength. I was careful not to get any in my eyes. Over the 30 days, I noticed my lashes appeared fuller and healthier. This routine became a relaxing nightly ritual that I looked forward to. Let's talk about my hair journey and how I achieved these results. After 30 days of consistent castor oil love, my hair felt noticeably stronger and more resilient. I used to struggle with breakage and split ends, but I saw a significant reduction in both. Plus, my hair was so shiny. It had a natural gloss that I had never seen before. It looked healthier and thicker than ever, giving me a newfound confidence. However, I have to admit, washing out the castor oil was a bit of a struggle. It's incredibly thick and sticky. It took 2 rounds of shampooing to get it all out, but the effort was worth it. But hey, for the amazing results I got, I was more than willing to put in the extra effort. My hair has never felt this good. Section 4. Skin so soft. Bye-bye dryness, now onto my skin. Castor oil is incredibly moisturizing. After a month of using it, my skin felt so much softer and smoother. My dry patches completely disappeared. I was initially worried about breakouts because castor oil is thick, but to my surprise, it didn't clog my pores. In fact, it seemed to help calm down some redness I had. Section 5. Eyelashes flutter-worthy results? Okay, the moment of truth, my eyelashes. Did castor oil give me those long, luscious lashes I'd always dreamed of? Well, the results were subtle. My eyelashes did feel a bit stronger and healthier, but I didn't notice a dramatic increase in length or fullness. Maybe with continued use, I'd see more dramatic results. But for now, I'm happy with the subtler improvements. Section 6. Final verdict, castor oil, yay or nay? Let's dive into the details and see if this age-old remedy lives up to the hype. Overall, my 30-day castor oil challenge was a positive experience. I noticed several benefits that made the effort worthwhile. While it wasn't a miracle worker, it did deliver noticeable improvements to my hair and skin. My hair felt stronger and looked shinier, and my skin had a smoother texture. The shine and strength of my hair were undeniable, and my skin felt baby soft. My advice? Incorporate castor oil into your routine gradually and observe the changes. If you're struggling with dry skin, brittle hair, or want to give your lashes a little TLC, give castor oil a try. It can be a game changer for those specific concerns. It's affordable, natural, and effective. You don't need to break the bank to achieve noticeable results. Just be patient and consistent with your routine. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing the best results from castor oil. And hey, let me know in the comments if you decide to try it. Share your journey and any tips you discover along the way. I'd love to hear your results, whether it's for hair, skin, or lashes. Your feedback could help others decide if castor oil is right for them.